Good morning, student. I, Professor Jasmine Faraz, welcome you on my channel. From last 3 months, we are solving 12th account problems, and many times we find printing mistake in textbook, which make us confused. But now this confusion will go. I would like to thank Mr. Vishwanath Upadhyay, Mrs. Rekha Pawar, and many more who really take initiative to rectify this all mistake. So let's see. I will start from chapter number 2, NPO, non-profit organization, admission of partner, retirement of partner, death of partner, and dissolution of partnership form. So let's begin with non-profit concern. Page number 84. Add fifth adjustment. They have given only 4. So add fifth one. Only 40% conveys for domestic use. Again, I am repeating, 40% conveys for domestic use. See here, they have given here solution also. So they forget to type here. So make a correction here. Next, page number 92. See here, buy interest on security. Here instead of 10,000, write 5,000. Page number 92. Page number is given. Here, just cut it 10,000 and make it 5,000. Next, we'll move. Page number 107. Here, outstanding subscription, nothing is given, so put here 20,000. If you see your textbook, there is a blank, so you have to write here 20,000. Page number 119, see here, put 00 each figure, here 600, but it should be a 6,000. Here only 95 is given, but it should be a 950. Again same here, 8,300, 15,000 and 450. So put 10 each figure. We'll move to the next. Page number 114. Here they have given only Lakshmi Hospital. Make a correction. Lakshmi Charitable Hospital. This one, Lakshmi Hospital only they have given. Find odd one. Page number 114. Lakshmi Charitable Hospital. Next, page number 121. Come to the answer. Surplus they have given only 48,000, but make it 48,800. Make a correction here. Put 800 extra. Page number 123. Here, by mistakenly they have given liability, but there should be a receipt. Receipt and the payment. So make correction here also. Page number 143. If you notice, this figure go up. So cut here. This is goodwill figure. This will come down. So 20,000. So buy goodwill 20,000, 20,000. Next one, we'll move to the chapter number 3, admission of partner. Here also same mistake. They have given particulars and particulars, but this is a balance sheet. So as you know, here should be a liabilities and here should be assets. Same mistake, page number 146 and 147. So make a correction here also. Next, page number 151. Now see, this go down and this will go up. Usually we write the balance downside. So this balance carried down will come here and this current account will go upside. So exchange it. Next, page number 155. Here again spelling mistake. GAL liabilities is given. Just cut it GA. Only liabilities and assets. Page number 161. Here answer. Answer should be Vikram loan 46,140. Pradnya's loan 31,710. Vikram's capital 45,000 and Pradnya's capital should be 67,500. If you watch my this video, so already I have done and we got the same answer, but that time many students asked me, means our answer is not correct with the textbook, but now see here we got, that means we got the correct answer. I will share my videos link in description box, so you can go and watch that video. Now we'll move to the next. Page number 165. Again same, revaluation profit 6,400, Medha's and Radha's loan. So make a correction here. Totally printing mistake is there. So instead of loss, we'll get here profit 6,400. This is also done. I think I have provided PDF for this problem. Now we'll move to the next. Page number 166. Here loan Amit is given. So make a correction. Amit loan, instead of 56,000, put here 63,520. This is the correct answer. 63,520. Now we'll move to the next. Chapter number 4, retirement of partner. Kale, Gore, Pradnya. So see here just spelling mistake. LICE is given instead of LICE. Right here LIVE, livestock. And here make a plant. Here they have given plant and machinery. It should be T, plant and machinery. Next one, put here instead of cash, bank. Because in old balance sheet, in question they have given bank account. So we also need to write bank. Otherwise always I told you write cash oblique bank. Done? Page number 177. We'll move to further. Page number 184. See here, this side total and this side total. So right here also 3,54,500. 3,54,000. Sorry, 3,54,000. Here also will come same amount. Page number 185. Again there is a mistake. Profit and loss. Here it should be a 500. And this also wrong. So it's come 97,500 and 13,100. This is also we got a correct answer. So please watch this videos. You will come to know. We get the same answer, correct answer. Now we'll move to the next. See here is a minor mistake. Give working note of profit of goodwill they have given, but give working note of profit and goodwill. They ask two working note. So that means there is a mark for working note. Next one. Valuation, page number 190. See here they have given only 15,000. If you are taking 15,000, we'll get the wrong answer. So again put here one more extra zero. Now we'll get the 4 lakh upon 4 and 1 lakh. Rest is correct. So here just make a correction. This is very small printing mistake, but really it's make confuse. Now we'll move to the chapter number 5, death of partner. Page number 202. Again here 90,000 is given, so make it 12 lakh. So here they have given 12 lakh 90,000, but here should be a 12 lakh. In Marathi edition there is a correct answer 12 lakh, but in English edition there should be a 12 lakh. So this also we get the answer. Now we'll next, page number 203. Here they have given Ramesh capital balance, but no, we need to open here Ramesh executor's loan account. So make a correction here also. Rest is correct. Now we'll move to the next. Page number 205. Instead of stock undervalued, make it overvalued. Because if you do overvalued, then only answer get tally with the answer. Whatever they have given in the textbook. So stock to be undervalued. Here it should be overvalued. Next, we'll move chapter number 6. Dissolution of partnership firm. Page number 216. Again here they have given only 34,000, but instead of 34,000 right here 34,400. If you see the solution, there also they have taken this amount and they get the answer. So just cut it 34,000 and make a correction 34,400. Page number 219. Reserve, general reserve, but instead of general reserve there should be a reserve fund, because in question they have given reserve fund, but by mistakenly they have given general reserve. Okay, so I hope you understood. Next one, page number 220. Again 18,400, it's come 18,000. See here, if you see the question and solution, you will come to know figure is different. Here it should be a 18,000. So cut this 18,400. Next, page number 224. balance of stock was sold at 10% profit and remaining debtors as 95%. Why remaining? Because if you read the adjustment here also they have given debtors worth 20,000 and same year given debtors realized 95. So we'll get confused which debtors. So here make a correction, right here remaining debtors at 95%. Next. Again here see deficiency page number 229. We have to divide capital deficiency of Mega among Vidya and Sharmila. So here 1120 is correct, but here they have given 1220. So instead of 1220, take it 1120 into 5 upon 8. See, then only we'll get the 700 answer. You also check out, you also calculate. So you will come to know. Page number here 229. Next we'll move here page number 230. Again see mistake here 27,500, but no, here should be a 7,500, because if you see the solution they have given 7,500, not a 27. So cut it and write 7,500. Page number 247. Sandhya's loan is given but by mistakenly, but here Sangeeta's loan, so we also write here Sangeeta's loan. This is already I have rectified in my videos. If you watch my videos dissolution of partnership firm, you will come to know. Now we'll move to the next. Here totally all answer are wrong, so make a correction. Bank overdraft is an external liability, so we have to treat as a external liability. So we'll put in realization account credit side and while paying in realization debit account. So we'll get the answer. This is also already I have solved. Thank you so much. I hope all your doubt get clears. Now only chapter 1 final account left, and after dissolution whatever the left, bill of exchange, accounting, shares, that I will let you know. Okay, thank you so much. Now share with your friends first because they also get confused. Have a nice day. Bye bye.